Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error can only concatenate int, not str, to int. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a string and an integer using the plus operator. In Python, you can concatenate two strings using the plus operator, but you cannot concatenate a string and an integer using the same operator. Here is an example of code that would cause this error. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, the variable age is an integer, but the string, I am and years old, are string s. When you try to concatenate them using the plus operator, Python throws a type error because you cannot concatenate a string and an integer. To fix this error, you need to convert the integer to a string before concatenating it with the other strings. You can do this using the str function. Here's the corrected code. Now let's run this code. Here is the output you will get. In this code, the str function converts the integer value of age to a string before concatenating it with the other strings. The resulting output will be.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.